Log into your Altrac app. View devices that need modem change. Select a device that you would like to swap modems for. Click Install New Modem. Disconnect control line from wire harness. Failure to disconnect power from device will damage the new modem.
Oh, really?
Unplug battery from the PCB. Detach the antenna from the modem. Using one hand, grasp the top and bottom of the modem and pull away from the PCB. Grab the new modem. Align the micro USB port to face the control line entry point. Line up the modem pins so each is seated in its corresponding ports. Make sure there is no overhanging pins on either side of the modem. Once lined up, push the modem towards the PCB until it is fully seated. Plug in the antenna into the modem. Plug in the battery into the PCB. Reattach control line to the wiring harness. Locate the LTE modem alias and enter it into the Altrac app. Wait for the modem light to breathe cyan. And congratulations, your modem installation is complete. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us.